Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SunFish video tutorial. In today's video, we'll explain the SunFish mobile homepage. Let's dive in. Once you successfully log in to SunFish Mobile, you will land on the homepage. Step 1. Notification button at the top right. This feature includes Request Inbox and My Request. The Request Inbox shows requests that need your approval if you're an approver. On the other hand, My Request displays all the requests you've submitted to approvers, such as data change requests, claims, shift changes, and more. Step 2. The Search button. You can use this feature to search for various functions within SunFish Mobile, like employee information, My Slip info, attendance data change, and more. Step 3. Time recording, history, and My Colleague. In the Time Recording History feature, you can see your complete time recording history. In My Colleague, you can check the clock in and clock out data of your team. Step 4. Favorites feature. You can add your most frequently used features to this section. Click Edit Favorites to modify this list. To add a feature, click the plus sign, and to remove it, click the X. Step 5. Leave balance and medical. This feature shows your remaining leave and medical days. Step 6. Feeds, reminders, and dashboard. Feeds works like an internal social media platform where you can share your experiences, whether in writing or photos. Reminders contains information you may need to follow up on, such as forgetting to clock in, missing timesheet entries, and more. Lastly, the dashboard displays various pieces of information in graphic format. Step 7. Menu, Attendance, My Work, and Profile. In the menu, you can access all company features, including organization, employee, career, and more. Moving to Attendance, you can clock in and out, as well as take breaks. The My Work feature shows your work calendar, both weekly and monthly, and you can also make requests by clicking the blue plus button in the bottom right. Finally, the Profile feature allows you to view your personal data, adjust language preferences, change your password, and log out from SunFish Mobile.